sandwiched right in between, yeah, the organization. How cool is that?
President Alvin, President Past.
Good morning, guys. We are back here at the meeting point. This is Zuiderkerk, and it was built in 1614. That's what it says. A few things are happening here. Stephanie Bauer's workshop over there. Some sketches. Working on the doodles over there and there, and a random tour group right here. Probably a free walking tour. We're gonna head in now to the church because there is the art market that's happening, and we haven't really been into it to see all the products, so let's go check it out. Because all good things must come to an end. It's the last day, but I hope to meet some people that I want to see. Ken Lo from Singapore, they've run out of stock for the Da Vinci brushes that you're asking. So sorry about that. Guess who that is, guys? None other than Rosemary herself. So nice to meet you.
Oh, you too. I know who you are.
Hey.
You've come a long way from both.
And then after this, I'm heading to Wexford, Art in the Open, Tony Robinson, yeah. Yeah, so nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll post some stuff online because I'm going to be watching the plein air next week.
Okay, cool. Oh wow, it's nice.
This is really cool. I believe that this is the world class.
Yeah, it is. Charlie is a genius.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I absolutely agree.
For urban sketching, this is just the most compact thing that you ever find. And they are magnetized.
I'm an urban sketcher from
Yes.
So this is my... I also
Wow,
draw.
oh wow, wow, wow.
Currently I have 2 passes for the workshop.
Okay.
Oh, nice to meet you!
Nice to meet you.
This is new one, just
Okay.
30 here.
Wow.
This is how we give it to you as a special. Thank you so much.
I was so grateful. Wow, wow. And that, and he gets this one too.
Yep.
The Alvin mark, yeah.
Alvin mark. Okay, we'll keep in touch.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Tutu bem. Yeah.
Alvin! Alvin!
Alvin mark.
Alvin!
I met Dillis in Bandar Nera. Can you believe that? And he's here. That was the first time he actually sketched.
That's true. So I've been sketching now for 8 months. Yeah, it was in September last year, so it's not even a year. And I'm already here with these talented, gorgeous people.
So last day here at the Urban Sketches Symposium, you find sketches all over. You find them in the sun. You find them in the shade. Urban sketches also eat together, like them. Enjoy your lunch. But wherever they are just doodling away. What inspired you to come to the symposium this year?
Just we hadn't been to the Netherlands before, but it's always a great time to come to symposium, so any excuse and we're there.
Okay.
Well, it's a fantastic way to travel. It's so relaxing, it's slow. Symposium is a bit hectic, but sketching while you're traveling, it's fantastic.
可以拍吗？可以 OK。问你哦，在这边欧洲画跟在槟城画有没有什么不一样呢？因为我觉得一样热，对，
一样热。Amsterdam 很美，就是因为它有那个水，而且每当那个要到黄昏的时候，那个夕阳是很漂亮，对，那个 reflection。Yeah.
Hola. ¿Cómo se llama?
Javier.
Javier Rico.
De Málaga.
De Málaga. Oh.
Urban Sketcher Málaga.
Málaga, sí, sí.
Acuarela
ya.
y tinta, pluma.
tinta.
Sailor.
Sailor, sí, sí. Acuarela.
De todo un poco.
Ah, sí. Más. Oh.
Esto es desde Blue Amsterdam, un restaurante
Ah, restaurante. Yeah.
Restaurante en alto, sí. Panorámico.
Wow.
Sanchez.
Sanchez. Gracias, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
I found someone else that does oil. What? I found someone else that does oil. Guys, we're at the Marina district and we have here with us Amber. She's gonna share with us a little bit more about urban sketching for all those who don't know what urban sketching or the Urban Sketchers Symposium is all about. Take it away.
Hi, I'm Amber Sousen, president of Urban Sketchers. So what is Urban Sketchers? Urban Sketchers is a movement worldwide of artists and non-artists. This is very important. Everyone is welcome in Urban Sketchers. What do? We draw on location. And we faithfully tell the stories of what we see and who we are and the people we meet wherever we live or wherever we travel. For the past 10 years, this is our 10th anniversary, we have hosted an Urban Sketchers Symposium where we bring together sketchers from around the world to celebrate on-location drawing and have educational seminars. So it's about building community, having wonderful time together, and learning how to better tell our stories through our sketches. So it's been a wonderful 4 days, and I really look forward to telling everyone where our 2020 symposium will be at 9 p.m. this evening.
But surely you can let me know now, right?
Alright, so here's a clue. Science, technology, our transportation abilities have expanded so much. You know, we're 50 years, almost to the day, since human beings first landed on the moon.
Right.
So my clue for you is, we are not on the moon. We are still on the planet Earth. Tune in at 9 p.m. to find out more.
Cut! Aww! 9 p.m. it is, but on this video it's gonna be in the next 5 minutes, so stick around. Guys, it's a bit chilly, so I'm gonna wear my parka right now. And oh, by the way, this is the amazing parka. You've been working behind the scenes. How has it been?
It's been very tiring. I think I say that in all my videos.
It was, huh?
Yeah, it is very tiring.
Yes, it is.
So I've jet lag, so it's very difficult to sleep. But now it's better. So,
Okay. Have you sketched ever since you got here?
Yeah, I sketched 4 pieces. The last few days I only sketched 1 or 2 each day because of the weather, because of the jet lag.
Okay, and the heat, yeah. Okay. It's been really tough on some of us, especially those really out there running around. You know him. Yeah, the great Parker. See ya! The past presidents, I was just sitting with them and they said that they've not seen twins before. And this year there are 2 sets of twins. So welcome to the team. Did you meet the other twins?
No. They told us that they told us this morning, but
okay.
we didn't meet them.
Yeah, where are you guys from?
We are from Italy, but I live in Milan.
Milano, okay.
I live in London.
Inchiostro? Questo?
Yes.
Yeah. And aquarella.
I think
Wow.
that you actually should be, because I remember you from yesterday.
From yesterday?
You can be
Oh.
this one.
Okay,
yeah,
last
yesterday.
night. This is me. Nice.
I thought, I know this guy.
Okay.
On drawing attention and the blog, and so he's so happy about it. Can you remember me all this time? And
Yeah,
James is also on the editorial board.
Oh, okay. Hi, Alvin. Nice to meet you. Yeah,
I'm James.
I was living in Italy then, so
Living there.
yeah, living there. So guys, this is more or less everyone. It's a no-fly zone, so we can't take the drone out, even if it's 10 meters.
Alright, thank you.
Finally!
So it's a felt-covered sketchbook. So I have a little windmill on it because we're in Amsterdam, and it opens like this. And inside is really good. This one's filled. This is Fabriano paper, really good paper. So these are some of the sketches I've been doing this week. I was in Haarlem. I've been in Amsterdam for about 10 days. This is, well, this is a cool one. This is a piece I did today. So you can put in a long piece, and you can take this out and clip it and paint on it and put it back, and it scans flat. There's no gutter. Yep, and it's really good paper, extra white, 100% cotton, and it just closes up and you're good to go. There's two sections. This is from this morning's workshop. Okay. Yeah, so it's nice paper, and you can also put in, you know, thin paper, black paper, gray paper. You can fill it with whatever kind of paper you want.
That's cool.
Yeah, and I'm a sponsor of the symposium. I've won in the raffle, so there's a prize to be won. And I've got a larger size too, that's 8 inches. This is about 6.5 by 6.5, and I've got an 8 by 8 one that's a little bigger.
Okay.
Bigger paper, really good, 100% cotton paper, Fabriano, extra white, 140 pounds.
Yeah. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll leave her information down in the description box. You can check that one out. Check it out. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank
Cheers.
you.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
This is so automated, man, this symposium. Okay, thank you.
Who's ready to know where we're going in 2020? Together in Hong Kong. Please welcome to the stage Gail Howard and Rob Sketcherman for the ceremonial passing of the pencil.
Ladies, are you ready to party on the other side of the world? We, Urban Sketchers Hong Kong, is extremely proud. We feel extremely privileged to welcome this tribe that we call our Sketcher family from all over the world. We look forward to seeing you in Asia, in